In this video, I will run through OTelic features so you will see how powerful yet easy it is to use. So on the left side, you will find logs, traces, and alerts. And inside the logs view, you can see the live tail of logs from all your servers. You can filter it by host, app, service, and level. On the bottom, you will find more filters to filter by time, to create alerts on top of the logs, and to see how many logs happen over time. The search is super fast, so you can find it in no time what you're looking for. And then you can open one of the logs to see the raw message of the log, to see the attributes related to the log, and to jump to traces related to that log message as well. So once you jump to the trace, you can see the trace view, how long the trace took, what are the spans of this trace. You can click on the spans to see the attributes of the span. In this case, I'm looking at MongoDB find span, which happened during this get to-do list API call. I can also see the database statement, but these things, of course, depends on your OpenTelemetry setup. Now we can go to the traces to see all the traces over time. In this place as well, we have all kind of search options. So for example, let's find all the slow calls to our API. So for the duration, I will say more than 1000 milliseconds. And now I'm looking only on slow API calls. It's very easy to find slow things in your app this way. Now we can jump in one of the traces and see what is happening inside. I see that I was making a bunch of MongoDB find queries. I can see exactly what kind of database statement it was. I also can create alerts on top of the traces, so I would be notified when I have some slow things inside my app. Inside the alerts, I can create alerts and destinations. Destination of the alert is webhook. To the webhook, I can send custom headers and custom body. And body also can include the logs triggered this alert and traces which triggered this alert and a bunch of other data points. Inside the billing, you can see your account balance. There are no monthly subscriptions. You just add some credit to your balance and then you use it. In this place, you can see logs and traces usage over time. Inside the workspace settings, you can change your data retention. 1 day is free, other options are paid. You can find the pricing inside the otelic.com/price. So for example, if you will select the 7 days retention, you will pay 18 cents per gigabyte. Then you have the workspaces to create and change workspace, and the theme options to change the look of the app. So that's it.